Today we're gonna make Chinese handmade noodles. It is gonna be super delicious and bouncy. Add in the all-purpose flour. In a small bowl, we're gonna add in the water and also add salt and baking soda. The baking soda is going to make our noodles super bouncy and we call it cute texture. And pour the water mixtures into the flour. Mix with a pair of chopsticks until it becomes flaky. Knead with your hand until it becomes a dough for about 3 minutes. Wrap it up with a plastic wrap. Rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough should be softer, but still pretty tough. Continue to knead for another 3 minutes. Now we're gonna wrap it up again in a plastic wrap. Let it rest for about 2 hours. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. We're gonna slice the onion, slice the ginger. Did I tell you before that I absolutely love cilantro? If you're interested to learn how to grow cilantro yourself, click on the link right here. Cut the scallions. Also mince some of the scallions for garnish. In a wok over high heat, heat it until smoking hot and turn it to low heat. Now we're gonna add in the onion, scallions, ginger, cilantro, and cook until they are lightly brown for about 10 minutes. The sauce that I'm making today is for about 10 portions, so I can save it up for the future and I put it in the fridge. If you don't need this much, you can also make a little less. Now we're gonna take out the aromatic. Now we're also gonna add in the soy sauce and sugar. Bring to a boil and turn off the heat. Lastly, we're gonna add in some chopped scallions. After 2 hours, I'm gonna add some flour on my flat working surface. I'm gonna first pat the dough with my hands into a disc and then roll the dough with a rolling pin into about 3 centimeters in thickness and about 18 inches in diameter. If you allow the dough to rest for enough time, roughly about 2 hours, it should be really easy to roll at this point. We're gonna dust cornstarch on both sides. And fold the dough sheet. Cut it in halves. And you can cut this dough however thick or however thin you want your noodles to be. Unfold the noodles. Look at these beautiful handmade noodles. They look so good. Alright, so to cook the noodles in a large pot, we're gonna bring water to a boil. And we're gonna add in the noodles and cook it until al dente, or cook it until super springy and bouncy, and in Chinese we call it 很 Q 很 Q. Yummy. Rinse the noodles with running water and place it in a bowl. Pour in the sauce. And just mix and mix and mix. Our delicious noodles is ready.